What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who just wishes she had a way to talk to someone? I might be able to hook you up, one girl. Stay tuned. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you'll know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save some money on a Cardo communicator or some Beyond Riders riding gear? Then you should check my referral links down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, hang out during this video or check the link down below that's next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause that explain what your money is going to. Get it, got it, good, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so today we are kicking off the 17th annual CHS Toy Drive with a pretty awesome giveaway. I am super excited about this one and I figure I would just come out strong. I mentioned in the last video that I had some really cool stuff to offer up this year, and I figured why not come out swinging with just something that is absolutely awesome, something that I totally love and I use in my riding. So this is what we're going to do today. So right out of the gate, I am offering up this Cardo Packtalk Edge. So stay tuned and I'll tell you how you can win this. But before that, I do want to get into some of the details of the Cardo Packtalk Edge. Maybe for some of you who are not familiar with this device in general, or someone who's just now getting into comms and not quite sure why this is a good idea. I feel like by the end of this video, I'm going to win you over because honestly, this is an awesome comm that should be on your helmet. If you have an older comm, if you have something that's a little bit cheaper, this would make a great upgrade. If you have nothing at all, this would make a great first time comm, let me tell you. So let's get into some of those details first. All right, so first and foremost, let's get some of the nerdy stuff out of the way and some of the basic details. This comm normally comes in right about $390 US. I don't know how that translates in other places, but you know, you can do the conversion or go to Cardo's website and actually see the price for yourself. It is IP67 waterproof rated, which basically means you can drive through some pretty janky weather and this is going to survive. I have driven through some pretty insane weather and mine has survived, so I can speak for this quite well. So this uses the 40mm JBL speakers. These have been upgraded over previous versions. I've had the Packtalk Slim in the past, and I know some of the other Packtalks like the black and whatnot have used 40mm. These are upgraded. These are louder, these are clearer, they just sound better. With this Packtalk, you can also use FM radio if you're one of those people who still likes the terrestrial radio and all that fun stuff. It has presets, so you can sit there and like set in a couple of your favorite stations. You can mesh up to 15 riders with this. What does mesh mean? Well, basically it's kind of like Bluetooth, except what it does is it connects 15 riders or up to 15 riders. So if, you know, just one or two of you guys want to ride, that's cool. If you're in a bigger pack, you can bring 15 riders. And that mesh network is going to tie you guys all together. One of the cool things about mesh over Bluetooth is if somebody towards the back of the pack kind of like falls behind, or let's say, you know, you guys take two different routes and then meet back up in the middle somewhere, mesh is self-healing. So once you guys are connected, whenever you are in range, you are going to reconnect. If you fall out of range, no big deal. You'll come back together, self-healing. That is awesome. Bluetooth doesn't offer that. So that in itself is just fantastic. The battery life for this is around 13 hours. Honestly, when I meet up with a few friends and we connect with our Cardos, I turn it on first thing in the morning and I never shut it off again because I don't want to keep like reconnecting on, off, whatever, you know, all the other stuff. I just leave it on. So I've had this on my helmet for an entire day, an entire ride, and it is just always running. We're like stopping for lunch, we're stopping to grab a brew or something like that. This is just up and running. I've never had a low battery signal on this for a day of riding. or even going into the next day, you know, it's still there. Like, I go for my ride, when everything's done, I shut it off. I forgot to charge it overnight. I get up, I go for another ride. I've still got juice on this, which is pretty cool. It uses a USB-C to charge, so even if you're on the road, you hear it's getting kind of low, if you've got like a little juice pack floating around, or you know, you can plug it into your bike or whatnot, you let it sit for about 15 minutes, it's going to charge and take care of the rest of your ride. So overall, this is awesome. This is such a well thought out unit. Cardo itself calls this the gold standard of their communicators. Right now, this really is the top of the food chain for them. They offer a bunch of different options, but this is the best. This is everything that they offer. This is the kitchen sink sort of communicator. Everything is tossed in there. Another great thing, if you're riding with a group and you want to record that, the Cardo app is actually set up so you can record group conversations while you're on the road with this. And that isn't just limited to Cardo. So I mentioned that this does have the mesh set up, but it can also do Bluetooth. So if you're hanging out with a few friends that for some reason didn't get the memo that they should have a Cardo, you can connect that group with Bluetooth. You keep your group a little bit tighter together, but same thing, you can record that to your phone because that's going into your Cardo app. It's coming from your communicator. So everything that your communicator is hearing is going into the phone, which is pretty sweet, especially if you're doing any sort of like motovlogging or whatnot. You want to capture everything that's been going on during your ride. So overall, like I said, kitchen sink communicator. This is awesome. Now, again, I use Cardo, and I've used Cardo for quite a while. I started with a Cardo Packtalk Slim. I went to the Edge. I was a day one buyer on this, and yeah, it's what I still use. It's right there. That's another thing about this communicator that I do want to mention. It has what's called air mount. It's basically a bunch of magnets in there that make it so it just clips on. There's no like thought to that. There's no trying to figure it out. If you're on your bike and you're going to put this on your helmet, clicks right into place, and then it is solid. That is a great communicator. Okay, so before we get into how you can win this Cardo, I do want to speak a little bit about Cardo. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you definitely hear me mention them in the beginning of all my videos. I do have an ambassadorship with Cardo, like I'm part of their program and all that, which is how I offer you a discount and all that fun stuff. Quite honestly, before I had any sort of support from any sort of companies like Cardo, I did a few reviews. There is a product that I still wear to this day that I do like. It's my second from this company, and I do really dig it. I went to do a review for that product, and I reached out to them before I did it, and I said, hey, I really like your stuff. I'm going to be doing this review. I would absolutely love it if you could offer some sort of discount code that I can offer my viewers to buy your stuff. Now, I didn't ask for an ambassadorship. I didn't ask for any sort of kickback if I sold anything. I was just asking for a discount code to offer to you guys. Now, in fairness, I do want to say this right up front. This company did nothing wrong. There is nothing that they did wrong. I am not upset with them, nothing like that. But what happened is they did reply to me and they said, sure, we would love to give you a discount code. However, you need to have like this many likes and follows on Instagram. You need to put up this much like media. You have to have this many likes, watch time, and all this stuff on YouTube. You have to have this much on like a Snapchat and all this stuff. It was just this absolutely insane list of stuff for something that I was just trying to send more people their way to buy things. So like, again, they did nothing wrong. That's their practice. That's what they choose to do. More power to them. High five to them. I do know people that are like ambassadors to this program. So whatever and ever, that's totally fine. But at the same time, I looked at it like, nah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Cardo, however, I did the Cardo Packtalk Edge review, and one of their like guys saw this video and they did like it, and they reached out to me and they said, hey, we like your review. Would you like to become an ambassador with Cardo? And I was like, that would be awesome. And the great thing about this is Cardo has been so organic. They said, you know, here's your discount code, you'll get a kickback, your viewers will get a discount, like everybody wins. They've been so supportive. They've never been pushy towards me. They've never been like, do this and this and this. Again, it's just been very, very organic. So it's been very comfortable for me to make YouTube videos, for me to make Instagram posts and all that stuff, talking about Cardo, because I'm just very comfortable with it. And I feel like it is an excellent product, and they have done nothing but support me, and they were the first group to really support me. So like, they are going to have my loyalty because of that. I think they are incredible. And Cardo guys, if you're watching, like, thanks, you guys rock. So yes, for me, Cardo has just been a fantastic partner to have since day one, since they, you know, showed up in my life. So yes, I am excited to offer this up for someone to win. So how do you win this? So easy enough. You're gonna go down to the description in this video. You are gonna see a GoFundMe link. The GoFundMe link goes to the 17th annual CHS Toy Drive that I am currently running. So you're gonna donate $20, and in the comment section, when you're doing that donation, you're gonna just put Cardo. That's it. So donate $20, put Cardo in the comment, and then you are entered. Every $20 will get you one entry. You do $100, I'll give you 10 entries. So I will double your entries if you do $100. This giveaway is going to run till November 20th. That's when the cutoff day is going to be. So if you're putting in donations after that, thank you for the donations, but you're not going to be entered for the Cardo. I will be drawing on the 22nd, so that is the day before Thanksgiving. The reason why I'm doing that is because I have no doubt that Cardo will have some sort of Black Friday deal, Cyber Monday deal, stuff like that. So if you're very interested in getting a Cardo and you don't win this, I don't want to make you guys wait and go past that window of some of those great online deals that may be happening right around Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then perchance you don't win. I hope you win. You right there. Yeah, you. I hope you win this. But if you don't, I want you to have those chances to get awesome deals on a Cardo Packtalk. So yes, again, down in the description, there's the GoFundMe link. You go to GoFundMe, you donate $20 for one entry. Every $20 is an entry up to $100. Then I'm gonna double your entries. So I mean, hey, you want to do $200? I will double the entries there too. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. But yes, you're gonna donate. You're gonna throw Cardo in the comment, and you are entered. That's it. Simple, easy, no problem. Let's do this. So that's what I got today. So I guess, like, have you been around? Like, have you done my giveaways before? Have you won something? Sound off in the comments down below. Let people know that this is legit. And, you know, definitely if you have a Cardo, sound off down below. Let me know how you like it. Let other people know how you like it. Share the experience. Share the love. Let's talk about Cardo. Because, again, I cannot wait to ship this off to the winner. And on top of this, I'm going to send you a hat. Not this hat, because I wore this hat. I don't want to send you a used hat. I will send you a brand new Cardo hat. It's going to happen. So you'll get the hat and you'll get the communicator. But yeah, that's what we got. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, go down and enter to win this Cardo. And share this with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who you go on rides with, who you can't talk to because he doesn't have a communicator. Now he might have a chance to. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.